In this video, you'll learn how to quickly copy effects from one object to another using the eyedropper tool. This is a simple trick that can save you a lot of time when you're trying to keep your design consistent and polished. Let's start by setting the scene. Imagine you already have one object on your canvas that looks exactly the way you want. Maybe it has a specific fill color, a stroke, a shadow, or some other styling you really like. Instead of trying to manually recreate those settings on another object, we can use the eyedropper tool to grab all those effects at once, then apply them instantly somewhere else. First, look over to your Tools panel. This is usually docked on the left side of your screen. Find the eyedropper tool. The icon typically looks like a small pipette or dropper. If you don't see it right away, it might be nested with other tools. Just click and hold on similar icons until you find the eyedropper. Once you see it, select it. You'll know it's active when your cursor changes to the eyedropper symbol. With the eyedropper tool selected, move your cursor over the object that already has the effects you want to copy. This is the source object, the one that has the look you're trying to reuse. Click directly on that object. The moment you do this, the eyedropper samples its formatting and effects. What that means in practice is that the tool captures the visual properties of the object. Depending on your software and settings, that can include things like fill color, stroke color, and weight, gradients, transparency, and sometimes even more advanced effects like shadows or glows. You don't have to adjust any of those individually. They're all bundled together when you click with the eyedropper. Now that the formatting is loaded into the eyedropper, your next step is to apply those effects to another object. Move your cursor over to the target object, the one you want to restyle. This could be a shape, a text frame, or another element that currently has different formatting. Once you're hovering over it, simply click on that object. As soon as you click, the effects from the first object are applied instantly to the second one. You should see the target object take on the same appearance as your source object, adopting its colors, strokes, and any other supported effects in one go. There's no need to open multiple panels or remember exact values. The eyedropper handles all of that for you. If you want to repeat this with several objects, you can keep the eyedropper tool active. After sampling from your original source object once, you can click on multiple target objects in a row, and each one will receive the same formatting. This is especially useful when you're standardizing buttons, icons, or text elements across a layout. And that's all there is to it. Select the eyedropper tool from the Tools panel, click the object that already has the effects you like, then click the object you want to change. In just a couple of clicks, you've matched their appearance and kept your design consistent with almost no effort.